Hey you guys, what's up? How's it going today? I am actually here in the parking lot at Home Depot, as you can see here, and I am just about to pick up some paint so that I can go paint the spare room at my new place. So I'm pretty excited about that. The spare room right now is this like super bright purple. Just not the vibe. I need something a little bit more calm. So yeah, I'm here to have this little adventure, buy some paint. I've never had to do this all by myself before. So I'm here to try it out today by myself. Hopefully I buy enough paint. Hopefully I pick a color that's nice. Hopefully it doesn't get all over the floor. Anyways, just thought I would share this fun moment with all of you, get to share a little room transformation. So if that's something you're interested in, keep on watching. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. I'm Sam, and this is it. So Home Depot was a success. We got the paint. Didn't get the paint color I had like chosen ahead of time. Because when I got there, I was looking at the wall and I couldn't find that specific swatch, but I was seeing so many other ones that were just so similar that I was like, oh, screw it, I'll just like pick one I like here in this moment. How spontaneous and fun of me. I know. Yeah, let's do this. Independent lady. Okay, here we go. So here is the spare room that we will be redecorating. So as you can see, it's a very bright purple right now, half the wall. Just not really the vibe I want going in here. Way too bright. So, oh my god, I'm out of breath from walking up those stairs. Holy crap. So I'm a little bit stressed to actually start painting this room, if I'm being honest. I know I have to like put tape and everything and like start at the edges and the corners, but now that I'm here, it's just like seeming like a lot to do on my own. So I don't think this is gonna be a one-day project. And also I started like halfway through the day. I only went to Home Depot at like noon. Huge mistake on my end. So all the paint swatches I didn't pick, I will show you those later. I just wanted to crack a beer so that I could celebrate doing this. Chris in the house. Cheers. Let's do this. Blah, 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 blah. Oh my god, I don't even know where to start. Fuck. Oh my god, one sip of beer, that's all it takes. Luckily, my mom lent me a lot of like painting equipment, if you will, like the trays and brushes and handle rollies. So it only cost me like 80 bucks to go get the paint and like an extra roller thing and the tape. Failure. Guys, I figured it out. Oh my god, I figured it out. We're good. We're Gucci. Okay, you guys, so I finally finished taping around the whole room. Let me spin you around so I can show you my tape job. Alrighty, so I didn't actually do everywhere. The corners are really tough to do, so didn't really care about it. And then for the closet, these assholes did the half all the way through the closet and like on the closet doors. But I didn't bother taping like in the closet because whatever, you know? So at this point, I think I'm ready to paint. I'm pretty sure I'm ready to paint. I think I'm actually gonna give the walls a quick wipe down with a Lysol wipe just to make sure they're not dusty or anything. And yeah, then I'm gonna keep getting on here. I'm actually just gonna sit and show you what I was doing at the store. That's a pretty good color match from memory, I gotta be honest. So this is what I was comparing all the colors to, since this is like pretty close to the room color right now. This beer is going into my head like so quickly. So these were all of the swatches I picked out. The only color from this selection that I had like maybe pre-decided on was this dark green Royal Orchard. And then the color I originally wanted was jojoba, and it's kind of this like grainy mint muted situation. I actually didn't find that swatch, which is why I picked up all these other ones, because they were like pretty close to that one. So what was the one that I actually got the paint in? It was this one, Fern Leaf. So I don't know, I tried to take a video of it in the store. It's not translating very well on the camera from what it is in real life, so I don't even know if you'll be able to like get a good idea of what this color's like. But yeah, it's like a light green. It's gonna be matte, so. Anyways, I literally just don't want to prime this wall ahead of time. I'm hoping this paint will just cover the purple, so let's just fucking do this. Okay, let's start getting set up here. Aw, my mom even gave me a shirt to paint in. What a sweetie. Shout out to moms, am I right? The man at the store had to show me how to open this paint can, because it has this like fun, funky lid. Let's hope I can open it. Then you just put this on like this and you squeeze it. Am I the strongest woman alive? Yes, I am. It needs a good mix. I didn't even need this thing. You could really just do it with your fingies. I'm gonna come show you guys this color. Hopefully it translates. I don't know if it will. So it's this kind of like light green. It's called Fern Leaf, I'm pretty sure. It's been 2 seconds of the paint open and I've already dropped it on the floor. If that's not the most Sam wall it gets, I don't fucking know what else does. You'll just have to watch from afar. I actually have no idea what I'm doing, you guys. Please don't accept this as a tutorial. This is like a vlog for sure. Hopefully that's good. Oh, the guy said I was supposed to put this on and it would be an easy pour spout. I didn't realize I needed to write down the instructions ahead of time. This is so my bad. Y'all, I'm fucking nervous. Oh well, it's happening. How am I not paying attention already? Guys, I think I'm doing okay so far. I was tripping out there at first, but, you know, it's actually not going too bad. Let's hope that continues. Who's surprised? I'm not. Alrighty, so this is how much I've gotten done so far. Just like cutting the edges here and did a little bit of this wall. It's actually pretty tough to do on your own, so shout out to people who paint for a living. I think this green is really covering that purple up quite well. So I'm super happy I don't have to prime this wall ahead of time. Okay, you guys, so I'm actually not doing too bad. I'm like getting blinded by the sun here, so bear with me. I did all of the trim all around the room of like all the, oh my God, the sunshine. Getting blinded, that's okay. Okay, where are we? So all around the room, did all of the trim and around all of the like outlets and the window and whatnot. I think I might call it for the day because it's been a few hours and I don't know, I feel like I just might need a break. But I'm happy with my progress so far. The paint that I bought, it says guaranteed one to cover in one coat. Like, for sure. Shout out to fucking Behr Marquee paint because yeah, it's the greatest, apparently, because I was so scared I was gonna have to do like 3 coats of paint to cover this purple, which doesn't seem to be the case. I'm gonna go get some food, I'm gonna go home, chillax for the night, and I will be back tomorrow to get this job done, and then we can move on to other exciting things and starting to bring furniture in here. And yeah, super happy with the progress so far. And yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Okay, hello you guys. We are here. It is day 2 of my painting my spare room adventures. Wore the exact same fit as yesterday. Didn't even take my braids out last night, so the frizz is real. And I'm really hoping I only have to do the 1 coat, but I guess we'll find out. So let's stop delaying this and let's just get to it. What's an appropriate amount of paint to be pouring?
2 shots of vodka.
That seems appropriate. Okay, you guys, so I actually finished the first wall. I think I'll wait till it dries before deciding if I need a second coat. But from the looks of it, it looks like the 1 coat should cover all the purple. So let's just hope the 1 coat will do, because my arm is already sore and I've done literally 1 wall. Here we go. The most frustrating thing I'd say is that when you're trying to put paint on the roller doesn't fit in the tray. The side of the handle keeps bumping. So I feel like you can't really get an even spread of paint on the roller. Am I an idiot? Is there something I'm missing? I think it's going okay though, the walls are getting covered. So the whole room is painted. I'm actually so happy with how it's turned out so far. I'm still internally debating to do a second coat because there's a couple of spots, not to say that you see any purple, but it just looks a bit like you can see streak marks. Couldn't be happier though so far. If I was screw it, I'm done, this is good enough, it doesn't look awful. And that seems all right for a first time solo painting adventure. So super hyped about this so far. So I think at this point for today, I may just let this coat dry fully and then come back tomorrow and see how it's looking again and then re-debate if this is something I want to do. Yeah, I'm definitely liking it so far. Oh. Alrighty, you guys, so this is it. This is my finished room transformation. I'm so happy with how the green turned out, and I'm so thankful I only needed 2 coats of paint. I thought about describing every corner of this room to you, but then I also thought, well, you guys have eyes. You can see what's on the video here. So yeah, lots of my things around this room, a nice little corner to hang out. This is a tablecloth from Value Village that I made into a makeshift carpet. And I just love how calm and chill this room is. It was a place to just go and hide from the boys, mostly. Okay, you guys, so my room transformation didn't turn out too bad. I really liked the greenery, very natural wood, very calming, very relaxing. I love this space just to hang out, get away from some people. I know the room's not perfect, but I'm honestly just not going to invest too much money into this room. We've been in the house for over a month now, and we don't really love it. So I have a feeling we're probably going to end up moving again. We're moving again. Peace out, Ottawa. We're moving to Vancouver. Don't forget to subscribe.